Hello and welcome back to Explain the Charts. Today we're tackling the USDCHF pair on December 25th, 2024. Let's start with the current news and events to build our context for the chart analysis. Recent Google searches highlight significant interest in USDCHF forecasts, particularly the outlook for the Swiss franc and whether the pair is currently a buy or sell. The USDCHF has experienced modest gains recently, trading near 0.9000 in thin holiday trading. Many experts are noting a rebound from 0.8735, suggesting a bullish bias in the short term. We'll be examining the one-day, 1-hour, and 15-minute charts to fully understand the current market conditions. Looking at the daily chart, we can observe a recent surge in USDCHF price from around 0.87 to almost 0.92. This upward trend shows increased buying pressure and could suggest that the market is bullish, at least in the short term. This coincides with recent news reports of positive economic indicators for the US dollar, adding credence to this bullish trend. Now, let's shift our focus to the 1-hour chart to identify any more recent significant patterns. The 1-hour chart offers a more granular view of the price action and shows some recent consolidation within a range, indicating a period of indecision in the market. However, the overall trend still appears to be bullish if we look at the past several days. Notice how the volume remains relatively high throughout this trend, suggesting strong conviction amongst traders. We'll keep an eye on the volume as a leading indicator of whether the bullish momentum will continue or reverse. Let's zoom in on the 15-minute chart to observe the recent price oscillations. The 15-minute chart reveals some shorter-term fluctuations, exhibiting some consolidation within a tighter range. These oscillations can represent indecision and suggest the current price may be near a resistance point. Note that the volume has decreased at this time frame compared to the 1-hour or daily charts. This low volume can be a sign of market indecision and consolidation. Considering all the charts, we need to assess critical price levels, potential trends, and market sentiment. Key support levels appear around 0.88 and 0.87, while resistance is currently being found around 0.90 and potentially 0.92. It's important to note that the likelihood of these levels holding depends heavily on market sentiment. Volume remains a crucial indicator for judging the strength and stability of any trend. A significant volume spike could indicate a strong push above resistance, reinforcing the bullish trend. Conversely, a decrease in volume paired with downward movement could indicate weakening bullish momentum and a shift to a bearish trend. In conclusion, while the overall trend for USDCHF appears bullish in the short term, the recent consolidation on the 1-hour and 15-minute charts suggests potential resistance levels near 0.90. Whether this resistance breaks will largely depend on market sentiment, volume, and potential news events. Monitoring volume changes around these key levels is essential. A significant increase in volume above resistance would reinforce the bullish prediction. Conversely, lower volume and downward movement could shift the outlook bearish. We'll be watching for any sudden spikes in either direction accompanied by higher volume as signs of a possible trend change. Also, any significant news events or economic releases affecting the US dollar or Swiss franc will likely influence this prediction. Stay tuned for our next USDCHF analysis.